Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is how you get to the Spike Prime build instructions. So if you're in Schoology, we're going to click on Robotics, and the Spike Prime Robotics is here, and it has this page which says, these instructions are included in the Spike Prime Physical Robots curriculum under Getting Started with Spike Prime Robot Build. So let me show you where that's at. So I'm going to come up here and click on my CS2N. And mine opens to the virtual Spike Prime already. So let me go to groups. And this is our group, 22, 23 robotics. I'm in some other groups, but no mind. And so this very first one says coding and computational thinking with Lego Spike Prime. That's going to be your physical robot. And then your virtual robot is dark blue. Okay. Some of you are going to have all three of these curriculums. You need to make sure you're in the right curriculum to do what you need to do, okay? If you have an EV3 robot, this will be the only curriculum you need to be in, even though you'll have the light blue one, okay? If you are in Spike Prime, you'll do all of your virtual work in the dark blue, and you'll do all of your physical work in the light blue. So let's go to the light blue. Let's go to activity. Okay, and this is what pops up. It has learn to program with Lego Spike Prime. It has all of this stuff, blah, blah. And then we scroll down to getting started with Spike Prime. It says a letter to the educator. Don't worry about that. Getting started with Spike Prime. Don't worry about that. Spike Prime robot build. So we're going to click that. Okay, so robot build TacoBot. So that's the name of this particular robot. And it talks about TacoBot right there. You don't need to worry about any of this. There are some extra items that you're going to need to build along the way, but you're going to have those build instructions as you need them. For example, one of the challenges is that you sort silverware or something like that. So you'll be making like a fork, knife, and spoon out of Legos, and you'll have to be sorting those. But that'll pop up when that challenge pops up. So we're going to download the TacoBot build. You can see it pops up, and here it is. That's what it looks like at the end of the day. It gives you a parts list to start off with. I would skip through all of this. La, la, la. And then there's the body of the robot, and here it starts with the build. So this is like slide 8, I think, that it starts with the actual build. You'll also be putting sensors on this, etc. So that's where you will be building your TacoBot. Now, if you have any trouble finding any of the parts, please let me know before you go scavenging in other kits. Otherwise, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.